Yes, hi guys, Shorts and Circuits team. So sometimes your problem is just that or the reason as to why your bulb is not lighting up is because the cable has oxidized, like in this case, which means that the cable is not functioning even though it looks complete. You can see I can break this cable by just bending it like that. So what we are going to do, we are going to remove this holder and install some new cables. And so we are getting our replacement cables or flex cables from this old flex cable that we replaced somewhere because it was not able to carry the current needed. This was actually used to install a shower head somewhere, and so we'll be using this for the lights. Now we are performing what we call surgery.
Kama ni kudwa stima na unaga hii, you need to consider to buy one, because in scenarios like this one, it is at night, you cannot go to buy a holder anywhere like now, and the client wants to have the holder repaired and he wants the light. So this is the only option we have, and this is the holder that do not have a screw for fixing the cable into. So the only option we have is to use a solder, so that at least we can create a permanent joint.
And so we have a finished product or a final product that looks like this. And the cables that we have installed are definitely stronger than the ones that were available. So let us install this light and see the results or the final product, or how the wall bracket looks. Yes, and now we are through. Let us see whether the light works, and there we have it. The light is working perfectly. So thank you guys, and see you in the next video.